Picture this, you're cruising down the road, beach vibes in your mind, ready for some killer seafood. But hold on tight, because life's about to throw you a curveball. Suddenly, your ride decides to take a nap right in the middle of nowhere. Hungry, lost, and a bit down in the dumps. It's like a plot twist in a blockbuster movie. No sea, no food. So seafood was definitely out of the question. All of a sudden, boy, my dude strides over, dropping the good news that a local man wants to reel us in for some classic Thai goodness. They've whipped up a legit local feast, and the invitation is like the hospitality game on a different level.
Now inside onion already.
Yeah.
And then after onion have tomato.
So this is very famous Thai dish, tom kha gai.
Yeah, tom kha gai. Children can eat. Just have.
So the children love this dish.
Yes, love. Every house have a chicken.
Okay.
And then Thai pumpkin at house have and the wall. And the wall at house.
On the wall of the house, you have
Yes,
pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin
yes.
growing on the
Yes,
wall. Okay.
yes. Coconut. The Thai people create idea.
Okay.
Have a coconut too much.
Too much of supply of coconut. They
Yeah.
don't know what to do with the coconut. So they created a food,
Yeah.
and now it's a legend. Everybody knows tom kha gai.
Yes. Southern of Thailand. If you stay at Chiang Mai,
Okay.
you have lah, but not delicious. At here, better than
So tom kha gai is southern Thai.
Yes.
As one of the best
Yes.
in around Thailand.
yes, and then you can taste.
All right, we will
Yes.
taste. โอ้ใจใหญ่อร่อยไหมอร่อยมาก Hey, what are they cooking some more? What is this?
คืออะไรอ่ะ onion, chili, fish sauce, and sugar, sour. And
So
then
this to neutralize
Yes.
the shrimp paste.
Yes.
Fish sauce. This is the magic. What is the name of this sauce?
น้ำปลาหวาน
Mm. You should have a star, Michelin stars. Speechless. Let's eat. Mr. Yai, this is what vegetable?
ที่เหล็กลีฟ
Just a special leaf
Yes.
in Thailand.
Yes.
It's a bit bitter.
Yes, and then to cook for Thai curry
ใช้พริกขี้หนู
or have a chili,
ตะไคร้
asparagus,
แล้วก็กระเทียม
garlic.
Katiam,
Yes.
which is the vegetable.
Yes.
ด้านซ้ายด้านซ้ายดีอ่ะ
Yes.
Oh, this is the leaf, mate.
ได้ที่เหล็ก
เอาไปเยอะ
It
Bitter.
and the local
Any health benefit?
easy for cook
โอเคแอปเปิ้ล
ตอนมาเลยเลย
Wow she give to you
Thank you so much. Cool, huh?
give to your mom เนี่ยยก
My mom. Thank you very much.
บอกไว้10 วันแล้ว
The best sauce in the
น่า
world.
จะ
What does he do for business? Businessman.
อีทัวร์ไก่
He's a tour
ทัวร์ไก่
guide.
on bus
He's got many. He's a man of
Yeah.
all trades.
he happy
What does he do at night for entertainment?
he sleep no he sing a song he sing have karaoke have party have dancer girl
นี่นักร้อง
Oh, this is his backup
singer
singer. Who's the wow? All the
นักร้อง
dancers.
ด้วยนักร้อง
gossip
Gossip. What is the latest gossip here? In the company of food, strangers become family. And in that exchange, we discover the true soul of a place, Thailand. Hospitality at its best.